This is Ashley with Glendale Community College's IT department, and we're going to do a brief walkthrough of how to manage your mobile devices with Duo Mobile, our multi-factor authentication app. So to begin, we are going to start here at the Student Center. That is my recommendation for getting your account set up. As a starting point, you can use any system that has the prompt set up, but today we will start with Student Center. So you're going to go ahead and log in here with your MEID at maricopa.edu. Click Next to enter your password. Enter your password and then click Sign In. On the next screen, you will see the prompt for Duo. This is where we are going to pause and do something that you would typically not do if you were just logging into your account. So if you're just logging into your account, you would complete this prompt and move on. To manage your devices, you're going to select Other Options instead of completing this prompt. Other options will give us a list of all of the options that are available to you from your account, and the one we are looking for is Manage Devices. This is what you will need if you need to add, remove, or update any of the devices that have access to Duo. You will, on the next screen, have to verify your identity through one of the available options. So I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go ahead and click Manage Devices. All right, so here, before it will let you manage your devices, you do have to prove you're the account owner. So you can pick anything here that you have access to. So if you don't have Duo set up on your device that you're using, you may not have these first two options available, but you may be able to use the text passcode or the phone call option to get past this screen and prove your identity. So if you have access to a text message or a phone call for any of the phone numbers listed, I suggest you select one of those. So for my purposes, I'm going to select text message. I have access to this phone, so I will get the verification code here and input it. And once I've input that, I'm going to go ahead and click Verify. And once I'm verified, then I will be able to make those changes to my devices. So on the next screen here, you'll see all of the devices that are listed associated with my account. If I got a new phone, I can click I have a new phone down here at the bottom of this mobile phone and add my new phone. I can also add a new device here. So if I need to add an iPad or some kind of tablet or another landline, I suggest you add as many options to this as you think you will use. You can click Add a Device and add multiple options. That way, if for some reason you forget your cell phone or, you are at a place where you maybe don't have cell service, but you do have Wi-Fi, that kind of thing, you have additional options available to you to gain access to your account. So I'm going to go ahead and select Add a Device here and add a mobile phone to my account. It will ask you to verify that the phone number is correct. I'm going to say yes. Next, it's going to ask you to download the Duo app. If you've already got it installed, you can click Next. If you don't have it installed yet, you should take a pause here on this screen and install it. It will then give you the QR code that you will need to set this account up within the Duo Mobile app. So if you've never set up Duo Mobile before, you may have something that says Add Account or Get Started. If you already have other things associated with your Duo account, you may just select the plus sign that's up in the top right corner to add this new device, and then you will scan the QR code with your mobile device that you're adding to be able to link it to your Duo Mobile account. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code now. Once it's added, you'll get this little green check mark and go ahead and select Continue to proceed. Now you can see all the devices I have available to access my account. So I've got my office phone set up. I have a generic smartphone that could be any kind of tablet device. And I also have the phone that I just added. So now I have multiple options for being able to access my account. You can, like I said, add more devices by using that Add a Device option all the way to the right there. So once I'm satisfied with the way this looks here, I'm going to go ahead and select Back to Login. And then it will have me log into the account that I'm trying to sign in. So now you can see this option is available here, my Duo push that I just set up to the new phone number. I'm going to go ahead on my mobile phone and click Approve. And that will be the last step that I need to sign into this account with the new device that I just added. I'm going to go ahead and select Continue to Application, and then I'll be on my way to logging into my accounts with Duo Mobile configured. If you have any problems with this, please reach out to the GCC service desk for support.